My lovely neighbor signed off on my FedEx planned box arrival today since I couldn't be home.
So it was marked perishable, and it is a long box.
So this is supposed to be a large and mature plant, but the box was really small.
Surprisingly, it comes with a heat pack, and the heat pack is still warm.
So let's see what's inside. It's a large plant and it doesn't even fit in the camera frame. This is Philodendron Joepii, but it was spelled as Joepii, but I will call it Joe Exotics. It was claimed that Philodendron Joepii is nearly extinct in the wild, and it was sought after due to its unique leaf shape. Please like and subscribe to see more unboxing plant videos.